Hello, my name is Ariel Spiritflower, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are reacting to kawaii snacks restock original. As you can see, if you hear me having a stuffy nose, I am clearly fighting off a sinus infection. But I took some medicine, and I will be better soon. But now we are going to react to it and see what's going to happen. Alright. Alright. See you on the next. Alright. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. And I clearly don't have a camera on, as you can tell. But I am still reacting to the video, as you can see. That's so adorable. Oh, that's so cute. And if you see it, I do have a stuffy nose. Like I said, have a sinus infection, but I can still react and still see and have fun. But yeah. All I do is well, that's well. Let go. That is so cute. Oh, look how his neck is. That is. Oh, look how she. There's a cute little cart. I could buy that cart over time or something. Oh, that's it. Oh, look at the little Oreos. That's precious. That is super precious. That is so cute. Oh, look at the little master things in the pack. That is very adorable. That is super cute. I like eating those because they're very, very cute. And also those are very delicious snacks. I would love to eat them. Oh. Pushy. That's. Look at it. Ain't that adorable? Look at this little. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at this. I'm going to put it in HD so you can see what's going on. That is adorable. Look at the little snacks. This is from the supermarket in the snack area. Ain't that a doozy? That is so cute. Oh, look at the Wonder Girl. Not Wonder Girl. An ancient. I like how creative you guys are in the videos and try to unbox these things. Like I said, they are very cute, as you can see. Shake, shake, shake. Very, very cute. Very adorable. Really splendid. I like. Oh. Look at the little chocolate kisses. Are those chocolate kisses? I don't know. Pray for me because I'm having a sinus infection, as you can see. If you can tell from my voice. Alright, so she's. Ooh, those candies are so good. Ooh, all in one box? Oh, there's cereal too. That's a good idea. Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, that's adorable. Look at this. So cute. Oh, look at the art style and the details and how kawaii that looks. No, that's kawaii. My nose is so stuffy, as y'all can tell. You hear me from mine. Have a sinus infection. I told you once and I'll tell you this again. I'm battling a sinus infection. Sinus infection. That is something I clearly don't want to deal with, but it dealt with me. So clap my cheeks too. That is so cute. Look at the details of this stuff. It's so cute. And look at the very clear soda sitting in the back. I like this very much.
Get ready.
No, we don't want your ads. We don't want your ads. Get out of here. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Just look at it. It is beautiful. Ooh, that is so delicious. I don't like that blue though, but it's still delicious. I bet it's still delicious. Look at the little paw tea. Little teacup. A glass. Oh, that's a little paw print. I knew it was a paw print in there. Forgive me for breathing so hard. Stuffy, sinuses, yeah. Look at that cute little glass. That's a beautiful glass. Wow, it's just like it came out just like oranges, but like it's life, but not chocolate, but not orange. Just like sparkly soda. I like sparkly soda. I can't drink Sprite. It just keeps hurting my stomach. Have anybody got y'all reactions of sparkly soda for the first time? And put it in the comments if you actually drank sparkly soda for the first time. Let me know about that in the comments, please. I did take some medicine, but if you can tell, it's gonna clear up a bit, but those are cute. Those are very, very cute. Super kawaii. My goodness. It is very splendid. Very, very splendid. Y'all got to try these things. They're so good. Oh, look at the little Pikachu. Those are very cute, very kawaii, very joyful, and I bet they're full of delight every time you put your lips on them and taste so good. Oh, look at the little kitties. They're so cute. Look at all those treats. Oh, I'm definitely gonna get fluffy anytime. are so cute. This is very, very cute. Oh, look at the little Easter. Little Easter those. Okay. Everything is very, very delicious and great to snack on. I do apologize if you hear some noises in the background because my grandma is here and she's coughing, but you know, just to clear up some things. Oh, it's done.
You know you want to upgrade your skin to the
No,
max.
we're done. I
Buff
guess
can
we're
get you
done.
there by
Hold on, pause. Okay, guys, I guess we're at the end of that video. But until then, I'll see you next time. Ariel Spirit out. Peace.